Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be going to buy some Christmas tree ornaments. I want a very neutral color for my Christmas tree this time around. I'm supposed to have put the Christmas tree up, but I've been busy. If you don't know, I just had a baby 2 weeks ago, so I've been so busy with the baby and my kids, and like I've not been able to put my Christmas tree up. So I'm prepared now. Actually, I'm not putting on this makeup because I'm going to buy some ornament for my Christmas tree. I did this makeup look for an Instagram post. I was supposed to upload a video today, but for some reasons my MacBook have been acting up, so I couldn't upload any video today. So I just thought I should film something very fast for my Instagram. At least if I don't post on YouTube, I should be able to put something up on Instagram. So I will just use my phone to edit this one, and just to edit this look, this very fast makeup look I did. I'll just use my phone to edit it and post it on my Instagram. I don't know, I wouldn't be able to fix my MacBook till Monday, so you guys won't be getting any content from me. I'm on my way to the store now. See you when I get there. Hello guys, this is actually the next day. Yesterday we went to the store and I was really tired when we got back. I was tired and hungry. We have to cook and eat, and it was really late. Even today it's late already. It is past 9. I already did my skincare, hence my shiny face, if you're wondering. Yeah, so I'll be showing you what I got from the store. We already have a Christmas tree, so I just I went to buy some ornaments because last year I did different colors on my Christmas tree, but this year I am going for just gold and silver. I know I said I was going to use one color, but I got to the store and I was attracted to the gold and the silvers, and in fact all the colors, the greens, but I decided on going with just gold and silver, and that is what I will be doing. Emmanuel, can you please keep quiet? Can you keep quiet? Yeah. Thank you. So I decided I will be going for silver and gold, and that is what we'll be doing today. So I'll just show you guys what I got from the store yesterday. So guys, these are the things I got from the store, just gold and silvers. These are some of it. Actually, you guys will see it when I put everything up. So guys, this is a Christmas tree I'll be decorating. We've had this since last year, so let's start decorating. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you guys, and actually not that I forgot, I myself, I forget that I got something like this. I can't even remember I got something like this. I got this cheap, this doesn't really feel like a ribbon, it looks like a ribbon. I got this cheap ribbon thing at the store. These are very cheap. I mean, this ribbon, it feels more like a material not ribbon. So I got this at the store and I totally forgot about it. So while I was offloading the things I got from the store, I saw it in one of the bags and I decided to use it. I don't know if it will come out good. I just feel like having a ribbon on my Christmas tree this time around. So I'll start the decoration right now. So I couldn't pull the clip of where we were actually putting the ornaments on the Christmas tree and doing all the decorations, the lights and everything, because I used my camera for that part so that I can get a nice clip, like full length clip of the Christmas tree and everything I was doing. As I've said earlier, my laptop is not working, so I couldn't edit that clip because it is so heavy, because I used my camera to film that part and I couldn't edit it on my phone. That is why you guys didn't see where we were actually putting up the ornaments, doing all the decor, putting up the lights and everything. And I really wanted to share this with you guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your love and your support so far. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Love you. Bye.